we all realise that we're living in an era of, rapid technological change, and within that has come some significant challenges. There is legislation that has come online and is coming online over the foreseeable future that I think will have impact in terms of supporting the criminal element.
Sorry, I'm just conscious of time. Can you just answer the specific question?
So in relation
what
to
action has been taken today or before today in relation to the issue that is on the table at the moment?
So the issue that's on the table at the moment, I suppose, or the issue that has been subject to public commentary over the recent days. So from our perspective, we have received reports and referrals of content on that particular platform that is under investigation. So as you know, the investigation process takes some time. The content has to be assessed. It has to be assessed to make sure it's criminal, and thereafter the people responsible have to be identified if that's possible, and the action then stems from there. The investigative action stems from there. So what follows is the investigative process, that may result in various different actions such as execution of warrants, interview of people responsible, bringing those people before the courts where the DP directs. And there's also, I suppose, more support of the regulatory environment that's been put in place recently. So we are in contact with Commissioner Meán and have been in contact with them, and over the last number of days, and we're meeting them again tomorrow to discuss this matter further and to bring it forward in terms of what support we can offer to them in terms of their function in this area.
Right, so you're confirming that there is an ongoing investigation in the Garda force in relation to this matter?
There are images that have been distributed.
Sorry, it's just simply yes or
yes,
no? Yes, that's all I need to know.